So, we have, this is the cutter. This makes it very simple. So this cuts a perfect, I don't know if you want to call it a diamond. A diamond. Can you see? You roll this around, and now the thing is, you don't want to get egg wash on the mold, because then it will stick and you can't get it off. You have to break it off. So that's the only trick to this. A little egg wash on the tip, You roll gently, gingerly, and you push gingerly for a minute or two. Not a minute or two, a second or two. And you turn it. A little orange just inside, a little sugar, very simple. It's nothing really, whipped up, real nice and smooth, almost like a whipped cream, but it's ricotta. So personally, I like to fill them, make them nice. That's your, what everyone sees. So you want to make them pretty, the outside of the cannoli. You want to make sure you fill it all the way. There's nothing like having nothing in the center of the cannoli, right? Like so. And then, you just tip the edge. Okay? See that? Okay, get that out of one plate. Cherry. Little powdered sugar. Bingo.